Right. Good afternoon. This is Greg Pukes, and this is my video on video delivery systems. Good afternoon. This is Mr. Pukes, Greg Pukes, and this is my assignment number 5, the video on video delivery systems. So today I am going to compare the Good afternoon. This is Greg Fuchs, and this is my presentation on video delivery systems. And in this presentation, I am going to provide you with a comparison of the Zoom video delivery tool as well as ScreenPal. Zoom is a tool that I use throughout the school year. It is my primary tool, especially for my synchronous learning classes. I use ScreenPal for my asynchronous classes, especially when I have to demonstrate a writing of code. During the presentation, I will list some benefits of both, and I'll provide a comparison and contrast of both systems. And before I begin, let me just say that there is not one that is better than the other. There is needs that are better suited by each system. So some key features of Zoom, scheduling and starting meetings, muting and unmuting participants, the participant list, sharing the screen, entire desktop versus just sharing a window or app. Whiteboard is an application that Zoom provides, as well as annotation. Breakout rooms are another amazing tool, and polling and reaction systems. So here is my Zoom setup, and this is scheduling meetings, and you can see on the screen that I am in my meetings, and I have 4 classes set up. Now, I actually teach more than 4 classes, and so the beautiful thing is, for example, my visual arts comprehensive, my 3rd, 5th, and 7th periods can all use that same length. And the 5th and 7th period meet each other with a 5-minute gap. And so instead of having to close out and restart, what I can do is move my 5th period folks that haven't quite been prompt with leaving. I can move them into the waiting room and bring in my 7th period classmates and start afresh. Here we have the setting the chat parameters. You can see here that I'm in my meeting basics, and here I have an ability to allow users to copy or save the chats. Those can be saved right now by the host and co-host. You'll also see right above those checkboxes, by default, allow participants to chat with. And right now I have everyone. This is a high school class. They treat the tool with respect. They treat my class with respect. But were things to get a little bit out of control, I can change that setting to be where students can only chat with the host or co-host. Audio settings. So you can see that, first of all, I have a custom background, something that we'll talk about with video. But you can see that I have a bevy of choices based upon the microphones that are attached to my system, as well as different speakers. And so, for example, I'm teaching from my main PC at this very moment, but sometimes I have to go to my art board, my drawing board, and that is in front of my laptop. And so I can change over not only the host or co-host, and I'm going to I'm going to end slideshow. And I'm going to end recording for a moment.